The Google Pixel 8 Pro has now leaked very extensively ahead of its anticipated introduction tomorrow, with hands-on shots of the phone running the iOS 64 and device info HW applications showing some of its important hardware specs. Over the last several weeks, both the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Pixel 8 have been extensively leaked. The premium smartphones are set to launch tomorrow along with the next-generation Pixel Watch, but a fresh hands-on leak has now disclosed all of the main hardware specs of the Pixel 8 Pro through the iOS 64 and device info HW applications. To begin with the fundamentals, the Google Pixel 8 Pro in the leak has 12GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The Tensor G3 is a nonacore processor with 4 Cortex-A5 10 cores clocked at 1704 MHz, 4 Cortex-A7 15 cores clocked at 2367 MHz, and a Cortex-X3 Prime core clocked at 2914 MHz. The GPU is the Mali G715. The Pixel 8 Pro is listed with 3 distinct sensors, 12.5MP, 12MP, and 12.2MP considering 4-in-1 pixel binning. This confirms speculations of a 50MP primary camera and 2 48MP shooters for the ultra-wide-angle and zoom lenses. The selfie camera is listed as a 10.5MP sensor, which is similar to what was seen on last year's Pixel 7 Pro. Google will unveil the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, and Pixel Watch 2 on October 4th. The two smartphones will be the company's newest premium products and will be powered by its third-generation Tensor chipset. Sadly, based on recent, leaked benchmarks, it appears that the Tensor G3 will continue to exhibit subpar performance. The flagship Pixel 8 Pro has now been seen on Geekbench, producing statistics that trail below the competition. The leaked picture indicates that the Gadget was tested on Geekbench 6.2, yielding a single-core score of 1,760 and a multi-core score of 4,442. Not bad, but still lagging behind its contemporaries. According to our database, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 has a single-core average score of 1,976 on the same test. The latest Qualcomm flagship chipset achieves an average score of 5,149 on the multi-core test. Indeed, it appears that the Pixel 8 Pro and its Tensor G3 slightly outperformed last year's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 in terms of performance. In any event, it's consistent with Google's earlier Tensor chipsets. That is, last-generation performance. For what it's worth, the Pixel 8 Pro seems to provide a 20% CPU performance boost over the Pixel 7 Pro, which is mostly important to series enthusiasts. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.